Hello from Colman and Company. This is Stephanie and I'm here to show you how to shop for an embroidery thread on our website. If you are not at the Colman and Company website, join us, COLMAN and company.com. Once you've come to our main page, you'll have some selection items here. Right here is the word embroidery. So for embroidery thread, you can either click on this or you can simply select polyester embroidery thread. If you've clicked on the word embroidery, you'll probably be at this page where you can either select polyester embroidery thread here, or if you're a pictures person like me, click the picture. Either way, you'll be up in the same place. Once you get to this main page, a couple things to note. Number one, polyester. We only carry polyester thread. There are other items out there like cotton and rayon, but we choose polyester for a lot of reasons. First of all, it is very color steadfast. It washes very, very well. It has that beautiful sheen to it, like you can see the light reflecting a little bit off of them in even pictures, or like here, that's just so beautiful. But also, you want to make sure that it can survive things like a heat press. If you ever have the option of creating patches, which is so easy with an embroidery machine, you want to make sure that it's not going to melt in a heat press, okay? Or, you know, if you're selling to a hotel chain or something, you want to make sure that color stays really vibrant. Polyester is going to do that the best for you. So that's why all of our lines are only polyester. Second thing is, on this page, you'll see Madiera as an option. However, we do not carry Madiera any longer. We had a great relationship run with them, but in the long run, we saw that Royal and Isacord was serving our customers a little bit better, not only cost-wise, but the selection between the two lines, you couldn't ask for more. So we do have conversion charts available here on this page. Royal and Isacord are the brands we carry, and then here, of course, I've got thread kits. I'll come back to this at the end of the video if you're interested in seeing what that's all about. But with our Isacord and Royal threads, you have plenty to choose from. So once you select the brand you're going to choose, you might have some additional options, like, for example, first of all, you have the thread chart. These fly off the shelf. It is so amazing. Literally, people love our threads, so as soon as they're available, people even pre-order these. So feel free to do that as well if you want to. But if you already know, gosh, you know, I don't have time to wait. I know exactly what color I want. You can select whether you want to do a 1,000-meter spool or a 5,000-meter cone. It'll say spinning cones of thread, which means it's actually generating my selection chart. And then I simply activate the chart by clicking View and Select Item Options. Once I click this button here, it's going to pull up the entire color chart right here. So if I know, oh, perfect, I was looking for some, you know, a pretty pineapple color. Note here that it also has the Pantone PMS color, which is awesome, by the way. I know a lot of customers might come to you with a Pantone color in mind, so this is a nice fast track to do it. You've also got the RGB, or if you've ordered our Royal thread before, you'll be familiar with the P number. Couple things to show you on this page is, number one, the quantity discounts. If you've got a multi-head, take advantage of your quantity discounts. Chances are, if you're using Pretty Pineapple on one head for a design, and this is a customer of yours and you've got a multi-head, you're going to already need 4 cones or 6 cones or however many heads your machine has. Keep in mind that this can save you a lot of money down the run. If you know you're always going to need white and black, take advantage. That's why we've put it there to help you out. Second thing is, like I said, if a customer comes to you and they give you a Pantone color, like this 124C, it is as easy as from the main page, you don't even have to be on this page. You can literally go to the website, type in 124C, hit enter, and it will pull up the threads or any other items that we have that are specifically known for that PMS color. Not only did I pull up the Pretty Pineapple in, this looks like the cone size based on the price. This looks like the small 1,000-meter spool. And look, it even pulled up our Isacord color, which I hadn't clicked on Isacord before, but you know, if I'm specific with Isacord or I'm pretty brand particular, that's a very quick way of doing this. What I'll do is I'm actually going to go back to the kits page. So that's pretty simple. That is all you do to order our thread is either type in the number, type in the PMS color. If there is not an exact match, so let's say it's a shade lighter than the PMS you selected, keep in mind it's not going to do similar twos. We don't want to add confusion. We're trying to make it as easy as possible. But if you have questions, you're certainly welcome to call us or look online to see what PMS colors are closest to and try those out on our site. But if you're not sure what color you want, gosh, you're a new business or you're trying to expand your collection of colors, check out our Royal Thread kits. We put a lot of time and effort into developing these, and these are in order of our most popular customer selections. So for example, 1 through 25 are literally the 25 most popular colors. Obviously white and black are in there, but so are a quite great assortment of other colors, okay? The next 25, 26 through 50 are exactly that, the next 25 most popular colors. So if you slowly started adding these in, you would essentially have the colors. You can buy the complete kit if you'd like to, where you don't have to think about colors. You can just grab them. If you bought an Avance from us or from ColDesi, you probably already have the Royal Single Head Thread Kit. So if you loved it, you can repeat it, no problem. If you are not wanting to commit to full-size cones, because I understand, you know, it's a lot of thread, that's over 1 million stitches, you can also do the spools. The spools, this is our 65 spool kit. It comes with 65, our top 65 most popular colors, and that's just the little 1,000 meters, so it's like a sampler platter. So that's an option for you there as well. Of course, if you have any questions on any of our products, especially, give us a call to our Colman and Company representatives. We'll be happy to help you out. Give us a call at 800-891-1094. Happy sewing!